when you're out in the woods and everything suddenly goes quiet. Except for that whistle. I can hear the wind. I don't hear no birds singing. What bothers me is something was throwing stuff from up in there. That's a long ways away. Got some good cover up in there. I'm right next to a marked red oak tree. There's that whistle. They were communicating back and forth from left to right. Well, my left to right. I heard a bird. He must have left the area. All right. I don't know. I keep seeing something up there. I don't know what it is. Well, maybe we'll run into him later. All right. Talk to you later. Bye for now. What's going on? This thing really brightened up. And the leaves are falling. All right. Enjoy.